So now we're up to problem 5. Don't you feel pretty good? You're taking the IB exam, you're a little bit rested because this one's in the afternoon, paper 1, and we're up to problem 5, and so far so good. We've got a box and whisker plot, and we're just going to fill in some requested information. Write down means they're certainly not expecting you to show any kind of calculation for this. So the first thing we're looking at is the lowest daily rainfall. So you know that the minimum value is at that very end of your box and whisker plot. So I'm going to write down the lowest daily rainfall, and I'm going to include the units that are given to me in the scale that was presented in my box and whisker plot. The highest daily rainfall. So again, I'm looking at the end of my box and whisker plot, and that would be 20 millimeters of rain. State what the value of 12 millimeters represents on the diagram. So we know that that center line that's marked in the inside of the box represents the median of the data. Find the interquartile range. So in this part of the problem, the word find should indicate to you that you do need to show some kind of a calculation or some kind of work. So the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. You wouldn't have to write that part, but what you do want to write is that you are using 14 minus, alright, what is that number right there? So 8, that looks like it is about halfway between 8 and 10. So I'm going to guess that that is a 9. So the interquartile range is 5. And then, again, write down, we're not expecting to show any calculation. And here we're just asking you, do you really understand what the box and whisker plot represents? The percentage of data which is less than the upper quartile. So here's my upper quartile. How much data is less than the upper quartile? And we know that that is 75%.